Today I show you how to safely remove a USB drive from your computer. I know this is very simple, it's a basic tutorial, but it's important to do this. Sometimes I remove the USB without doing the safely removing procedure, and it's not right. You might have files corrupted. I lost files because of this. If Windows or another device is not ready to eject the device and you remove it, the files get corrupted because they're not finished writing on it. So I will show you how to safely remove a USB flash drive from your computer right now. Okay, so I'm gonna plug in the phone now, and I choose file transfer. Did I? Okay. Now the phone is plugged in, but there is no option to eject it from here, but I could click on the arrow here on this next to the clock, and then there is this USB, like a USB flash drive, and for some phones you might see this option eject MTP, and the phone is out from there. It's removed from the menu, and it says safe to remove hardware. Now you can unplug the phone, and I have also a USB. Okay, where is the camera? So I have this USB also, and I'm going to plug it into the computer now. So let's check. I'm going to plug it into the computer, and it opens immediately, but maybe it might not open for you. It depends on how you chose for it to work. And that's the USB. I can make a new folder here. I can rename it, delete it, go inside, delete it. So you might close the window or leave it open, it's up to you. And then go to this little arrow here where you have next to the clock. Click on the USB symbol, this one, this is the USB symbol, and find the drive that has the same name, like you see here, multiboot F. And then it says multiboot F. Press eject. The window closed. It shows now it's safe to remove the hardware. It says now it's safe to remove the hardware, and it's gone, it's not there anymore. That's it, how you safely remove a USB drive from a Windows 11 computer or a Windows 10 computer or any Windows computer actually. You first eject it and then remove it. And now I can unplug it. I took it out from the port, from the USB port, and it's okay, I can take it somewhere else. That's it. And that's it. It's very simple. It's just click on the menu, very quick. You can do it in a few seconds, and it's much better to do it this way, especially that you should do it for hard disks, external hard drives, SSDs, flash drives, anything that is not some of the devices, they're made like a phone. When you connect the phone, it's a bit slow because of that. It's not a cached device, so I can't explain it very well. But for storage devices, if it's a default storage device like an external hard drive, SSD or flash drive, you have to do this because it's really better for your files. Thanks for watching. And let me know in the comment section below if this helped you or what you would like to see in the next video. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. I like using this one again. I think we're done for today. I'll get my Pepsi. I should really stop drinking this thing. Yeah. That's it.